This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Mirella Reyes. Immaculate home in a cul-de-sac. Features 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with 3-car garage. The kitchen has plenty cabinets for storage, a beautiful island, dishwasher and refrigerator are new. The property has French doors to go outside through the kitchen/family area or from living area as well. 1 bedroom is downstairs and 1 bathroom is convenient for an in-law suite. The screened lanai in the back overlook the conservation area to relax and enjoy the nature in Florida. The AC is 2019, refrigerator and dishwasher are new. The property is located in a gated community with a lot of amenities, large pool, water play area including water slides, jacuzzi, tennis courts, fitness room with weights and fitness equipment, playground, full kitchen and meeting rooms available for parties or meetings, 3 private entrances, close to I-75, Tampa premium outlets, Wiregrass Mall, hospitals, center ice rink and many more attractive. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.